11th Science, Chapter 3, Classification of Elements and Periodicity in Properties. Part 10. A quick recapitulation. Hello students, I am Madhusina, your chemistry teacher. Watch my YouTube videos, like and subscribe it for further notifications. Henry Moseley gave periodic law. It states that the physical and chemical properties of the elements are a periodic function of atomic numbers. He arranged the elements in modern periodic table according to increasing atomic number. In 1894, the work of Moseley brought the elements into a new arrangement. Modern periodic table is divided into 4 blocks on the basis of electronic configuration. On the left hand side, S block element. On the right hand side, P block elements. In the center, there is D block elements, and at the bottom of the periodic table, F block elements are placed. The horizontal rows in the periodic table are known as periods or series. First period is the shortest period and contains only 2 elements. The second and third periods are called short periods and contains 8 elements each. The sixth series is called lengthened series and the last one is called actinide series. They are placed at the bottom of the periodic table. A group, also known as family, is the vertical column in the periodic table of chemical elements. There are 18 groups in the modern periodic table. The main group elements are designated by letter A and transition elements by letter B. Periodic properties. We have also learned that in a period the number of valence electrons and nuclear charge increases from left to right. It increases the force of attraction between them. In a group, the number of filled shell increases and the valence electrons are present in higher shells. This decreases the force of attraction between them and the nucleus. These changes affect the various properties of elements. They repeat themselves after certain interval of atomic number. Such properties are called periodic properties. Let us discuss the periodic properties and their variation across a period and a group. The number of valence electrons increases in a period. It increases from 1 to 8 from left to right. It reaches 8 in the group 18, which shows practically no chemical activity under ordinary conditions, and their valency is taken as 0. In a group, the number of valence electron remains same. The valency also remains same in the group. For example, in group number 17, the number of valence electron is 7 in each case, whereas the valency is 1 in each case. Next periodic property is atomic radii. Atomic radii determines the size of the atom. For an isolated atom, it may be taken as the distance between the center of the atom and the outermost shell. As we move from left to right in a period, the atomic size decreases. Since valence electrons are added in the same shell, they are more and more strongly attracted towards the nucleus. This gradually results in contraction in atomic size. However, in a group, atomic size increases from top to bottom. Ionic radii. Ionic radius is the radius of an ion. When an ion is formed, the size of the neutral atom changes. An ion is bigger in size than the neutral atom because addition of one or more electrons increases repulsion among the electrons and they try to move away from each other. Cations are smaller than the neutral atom. When one or more electrons are removed, the repulsive force between the remaining electron decreases and they are attracted more by the nucleus. Ionic radii shows similar variations as atomic radii. Ionic radii increases in a group and decreases in a period. Ionization enthalpy or energy is the minimum amount of energy required to remove an electron from neutral gaseous atom. Ionization energy decreases in a group from top to bottom. As the atomic size increases, less energy is required to remove the electron. However, ionization energy increases in a period from left to right. The atomic size decreases in a period. The nucleus has strong force of attraction for the outer electrons. In such a situation, more energy is required to remove an electron. Electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy is the tendency to gain an additional electron. It is the energy change when an electron is accepted by the atom in the gaseous state. The electron affinity is assigned a positive value when energy is released during the process. The greater value of electron affinity means more energy is released during the process and greater is the tendency of the atom to gain electrons. In a group, the electron affinity decreases on moving from top to bottom. That is, less and less amount of energy is released. Whereas in period, the electron affinity increases from left to right as more and more amount of energy is released. Electron negativity. It is the relative tendency of the bonded atom to attract the shared pair of electron towards itself. It is a dimensionless quantity and does not have any units. It is just a comparison of the tendency of various elements to attract the shared pair of electron towards themselves. Electron negativity decreases in a group from top to bottom, whereas increases in a period from left to right. Metallic character of the element increases in a group from top to bottom as atomic size increases. Metallic character of elements decreases in a period from left to right as atomic size decreases and there is less tendency to lose electrons. Here are some of the definitions of atomic radii, ionic size, and metallic property, along with ionization energy, electron affinity, and electron negativity. The following table helps you to summarize the variation across a period and a group.